Come on, Lady Jane, just one more tea. Come on, you gotta try it.
No.
Hi, everyone. Sawdust Gentry here. And we've been trying different kinds of teas all day, and not one of them has proved to be the remedy. But fortunately, we're down to the last one. Intercontinental EMOT, whatever that means. So, it's gotta be the remedy, right? Lady Jane, come on. We gotta be ready for this weekend's free preview, Season's Beatings. So come on, down the hatch. There you go. It's a championship match. No more lattes. No more cappuccinos. No more coffee. Drink your tea. It's a championship match against Slash Shipper and Dr. Scrubs, and we gotta hold on to our gold. Down the hatch, come on. Chug, 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 chug. Yes. Okay. How do you feel?
I feel like I'll be fine for Season's Beatings if you just get off my back, okay? I'm not in your shadow, I'm my own person, and you have to trust me sometimes.
Oh. Turns out it's not Intercontinental EMOT, it's Intercontinental Emo-T.
Like, no one gets me, no one understands me, and it would be nice for once if my friend would just, trust me or something. Oh, thank God these are fingerless already.
Well, I tried.
I'm not a perfect person.